starting to move my bins. This is my initial breeder bin. As you know, we've used denim as a top surface. Wow, hey, look at this. Already right off the bat, they're crawling all through here. Let me mark them down here. This is my most active tank, as you can see. They're all through the denim. This is my breeder tank, so they're everywhere, as you can see. I'll lift this again. They're breeding, as you can tell, some of them are breeding. This is that t-shirt, originally my original t-shirt. As you can see, it's not completely collapsed. And this is just on top of the grass. If we go underneath, see, this smells a lot better. You see that they're all through here. This is my breeding tank. And there we go. This is something we're hoping pretty soon that this is maturing along. About 30 days from now, I'll harvest this one again. And it looks like it's growing pretty well. As you can see, all the worms are around this t-shirt. See?
Almost ready for Halloween.
Oh, one's trying to escape. And you can tell that these are doing pretty well as breeders. Because they have a very active cilium right there. They're very excited and active. So we've got plenty of food, so there you go. See, right there is a really big one. That one's got an egg case in there. So it shows me these are breeding pretty well. Now I want 60 bins like this that can handle a lot more. If I get the 60 bins in here, that'll handle about a ton of waste a month, at least. Probably closer, in my more perfect world, 3 or 4 tons a month of material, and producing out 2 tons of compost soil. There's just a huge demand for it. Everybody's always looking for it, so that's where we're at.